Follow these instructions for fire barrier installation. Unroll the ceramic paper roll at joint edge. Install into the joint space and align the top edge with the concrete slab and tape into place. Pull the ceramic paper to the side and apply 3/8 inch silicone bead to the exposed concrete edge 2 inches down from the slab top. Release the ceramic paper, set in the silicone bead. Align the paper with the top edge of slab. Unroll the narrow ceramic blanket roll with the foil facing down. Center it in the bottom of the joint space. Repeat with the wide ceramic blanket. Center it in the joint above the narrow blanket. Place the metal angles onto the joint. Pinch the back end of the insulation block to funnel into the joint. Push it down to seat. Pinch and push downward, moving the insulation block into place, and remove the metal angles. Add high-temp silicone caulking to the cavity space on top of floor fire barrier. Set the wall fire barrier base into the silicone and wall opening. Push the fire barrier into the wall, caulking both sides of the barrier. Now, install the expansion joint systems.